Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a transfer pump. It's a High Pro model 1542P65SP with a Power Pro 6.5 horsepower engine on it. It must have water or dirt in the gas tank or carburetor because you put it on choke, it pops once or twice and just dies. So we'll see if we can't get this thing running. So hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to go ahead and drain the oil now. Oil don't look too bad, but we'll let that drain and we'll go ahead and tear the carburetor off. Okay, let's go ahead and take this carburetor apart here. You might have to unhook this vapor line. Unhook it here. There we go. A lot of vents on this thing. Get a bucket. Get that gas drained out of there too. Unhook the governor line and unhook the spring here. And there we go. When that drains out, and blow the gas tank out real good. We'll clean this off real quick before we tear it apart. I guess while it's draining, we can throw a new plug in there real quick. Burning really good. That was a Bosch plug that came out of there. We're gonna put an NGK in there. Gapped at 35. Might as well be draining. I could go ahead and put some oil in it. Okay, the gas is all drained now. So I'm gonna blow out the tank real quick. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself here. We got fresh oil in there, 1030. That's weird. Some kind of a bowl or something in there. That's weird. I'll blow up the seal line there. Now we know the gas tank's clean. Let's go on to tearing apart that carburetor. And on these carburetors here, always have that drain plug opposite where the fuel goes into the carburetor. Have it on the opposite. That way it's not in the way of everything. You can get to that bolt pretty easy. Well, look at that. Pretty bad shape. Okay, we're gonna go and take this pilot jet out of the top. And where your idler screw is, see how it comes out a little bit on that side? Just gotta remember that. So when we put it back together, you can kind of put it in the right spot. And this is just pressed in there. Make sure the O-rings are in good shape. And there's 2 holes in the side and the jet's in the center. So just kind of clog one of the holes up. And it'll shoot out a nice stream, so you know that's not plugged up. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in the boiler. That's why this son of a gun don't run. Probably gonna have to boil this out. Probably about 20-25 minutes. Okay, took it out of the cleaner and it cleaned up real nice. So let's go ahead and put her back together again. And make sure that's opposite where the fuel comes in. And let's put our pilot jet in. It's just pressed in there. And this screw is what actually holds it into place. I think it's about right there, I believe. Okay, I guess now we can put this back on the machine and see if it runs. Put the governor rod on and put the spring on. There we go. I gotta push that vent tube on. There we go. Make sure the valve cover's on all the way. Okay, let me go find an air filter real quick and about have this thing whooped. Vent tube back on there before I forget. Okay. Okay. Hey, grab some premium gas here. I put a little bit of water in here. I put some plugs in here so I won't have to worry about the pump burning out, but I'm still not going to run it very long. All right, let's see what it does here. Okay, the switch is on. Turn the fuel on. Have the choke on. Well, there you go. It's ready to pump some water. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helps you out. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you have a good afternoon. Bye.